Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day. We were going to film getting the groceries and all that kind of stuff, but it was a complete debacle over the groceries. You're always supposed to get a little text message before they deliver, letting you know how far away they are. Well, we got a text message letting us know that, and then whenever they get here, you always get one saying they're here. And so I got a text message saying they were here to deliver the groceries, but no one showed up. And we waited and we waited and we waited, and nobody showed up. So I called the number and told them, no, we didn't get our groceries. We didn't get a text with a picture on it showing that they had delivered or anything. And the lady had me on hold for a while, and she came back. She couldn't find where they had delivered it. She couldn't find the picture of the delivery and all this stuff. And so then we waited and we waited, and she said, well, we'll just have them reshop it and bring it back to you later this evening. They're supposed to deliver between 8 and 9 last night. Well, about 30 minutes later, after I got off the phone with her, the people who were supposed to deliver the stuff showed up. So they showed up, we brought the groceries in, and there were so many things that were missing. So then I had to call the number back and tell them, well, we got our delivery, ixnay the other delivery, except for they have to get these other items that we didn't get. So they were going to go ahead and bring those items between 8 and 9 last night, which they did, but they still forgot an item. So I'm like, oh. Anyway, so now I got to call them sometime this morning and just tell them to take that item off my list because I'm not paying for it. I don't know. It was just a big deal. Next time we might use Instacart and see if they're any better. We've heard from some of the drivers that say that the Instacart shoppers are actually better than the ones that shop at H-E-B. So I figured Instacart had shoppers shopping everywhere. I don't know how that works, y'all. I don't know. Anyway, all that I know is that it's the next morning. It's not even 7 o'clock yet, and it's raining outside, which is great because I've been praying for some rain. We need some rain. We're not that far from the coast, and whenever that Hurricane Beryl came through, I thought, we're going to get some rain from this. I mean, I don't want people to have damage and be flooded from it, but we needed the rain here. And we got a tiny bit of rain from that. It actually turned just east of us and went up back home in Arkansas. I think got like over 5 inches of rain from Hurricane Beryl. So it's actually supposed to rain today and the next few days here. So, but anyway, it is morning time, and this little nugget right here, my little Snickers pup. Yeah, this is what my husband does. He takes our pillows off the bed and makes them a little thing at night so he can lay here in my spot on the end of the couch and watch TV. But he always falls asleep, I'm sure. But this little sweet little nugget right here, it's time for hers to go outside and get some exercise and go potty. Yeah, she's being so patient on Mama. She's being so patient waiting for her. Okay, you ready? You ready to go outside? Yeah. You gonna stand up and say hello to YouTube? Alright, so I'm gonna go take her for a walk and I'll be back later. I took Snickers on a walk. It was very short because it is raining. And then I came back in and I'm going to make some lemon water for Shane and I. And I do this every morning for us. I just buy a bag of organic lemons and we squeeze all of them, and then we put them in this little jar right here. It's almost gone now, but so we squeeze all of them, and then every morning I just take 2 tablespoons of this and just pour it in this a glass of water, 8 ounces of water. That I didn't measure 8 ounces. So I just kind of halfway put the water in there. It's just probably a 16-ounce glass. I don't know. Anyway, and so that's what I do for each of us every morning. And Shane used to suffer from kidney stones, and ever since we've been doing this for the last 5 years, he has not had one kidney stone. So I've heard from online, read some things from holistic doctors and other things, home remedies and ways to, keep kidney stones from forming, and lemon water in your morning. Lemon lemon juice in your water every morning is one of the ways it's supposed to help. And so far he's not had any, like I said, for the last 5 years. So, and of course it gives a little bit extra vitamin C and cleanses out your kidneys, and it has a lot of other health benefits too. So so that's what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm going to make me a cup of tea, which I drink every morning as well. And then you just drink it. That was a sour lemon. Whew. But you get used to it. Once you do it every day, you get used to it. I drink a different tea usually every morning, and this morning I'm drinking organic Greek mountain tea. This is herbal tea from Mount Olympus. It's definitely not the least expensive tea there is, but it's actually pretty good, and it's supposed to be really good for cognitive function and stuff like that. So mental capacity, which Lord knows I need some more of that. I can't even talk this morning. But anyway, so that's what I'm drinking today. It is raining and overcast, and I love a good rainy day, especially on your day off. We may just sit on the couch and just maybe do nothing all day. So on my little table here on my side of the couch, this is my little mug, my little coffee mug. It's a little owl. Is that not the cutest thing? I love my little coffee mug. And a friend of mine got that for me, and I can't even remember who it was, but I couldn't part with my coffee mug whenever when we moved into the RV, even though it is ceramic. But it is just so stinking cute, and I love owls, so I had to keep it. But right now he's got his little top on, he's steeping. He's got my tea in there, he's steeping. I think in our last video I told you that I used a chronological application study Bible, and that's what I am using to do a Bible study. So and I try to study a book every morning, and I'm in the book of Numbers. Sorry, the lighting is not very good right now. I'm in the book of Numbers, which is not the most exciting book to study, but anyway, that's where I am. So I'm going to start on my Bible study, and I will catch back up with you later. Look at this precious little thing. She's just laying here next to me on the couch. Oh, she's so sweet. You were sleeping so good. Oh, she knows that Shane's up. She normally always goes over and sits on the floor and waits for him.
I saw you.
Oh, she's ready for Daddy.
I saw you hanging out.
Someone ready to go for a walk?
Is puppy walking?
Oh, I said we didn't get a good walk in this morning because it was raining, but now we're gonna go take a little bit of a walk.
You gonna do some walking?
Okay, she's already barreled out the door. You ready to go for a walk?
We're going for a ride.
No, we're not going for a ride.
Car don't work that good, girl.
We'll go down here and... Ooh, it rained a lot this morning. But it's still, I figured when we come outside it would be so steamy we wouldn't be able to stand it, but it's not too bad actually. It's a nice breeze. I'm gonna take her down here to this little open, or not really open area, but area she can sniff a little bit better. This is not a dog park per se because there's no fence around it, but it's a little area. No zoomies today, but we've got some really pretty, well, for the most part they're all dried up now, but we had some really nice pretty sunflowers here at one time. There's still a few that are bloomed, but we needed that rain we got here this morning because it was, everything's all, I mean, the grass, you know, we got grass and stuff, but it was just really, we were in need of some rain. We thought we would let you in on what we're cooking for supper. So we're having chicken avocado burgers, and this is one of our favorite things to have for supper. So we're just going to kind of tell you what goes in it and show you how we do it. So first of all, you just take a pound of ground, this is a pound of ground chicken. You can use ground turkey or whatever you want, I guess, but then there's 1 clove of garlic in there, and then I've cut up avocado. I'll have to, it's hard to get that off of there one-handed. You'll have to edit some of that out. So I'll put the avocado in there, 1/3 of a cup of breadcrumbs. I use just plain breadcrumbs, I don't season them. And then I put a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper in there, and then I'll put 1/2 teaspoon of salt once I get it all mixed together, because I don't like putting salt in the middle of it. It kind of dries it out, so I always wait to put the salt on top of the patties whenever I make them. And then right now Shane is over here grilling the burgers, or the buns, so that way we can have toasted buns. Okay, so I have all the patties formed. So you just take all the ingredients, you just form patties like you would for hamburgers, and then we're going to cook these in avocado oil. And I also have some avocado mayo that I'm going to put on my bread, and then of course I'll put on a slice of cheese, melt the slice of cheese on there. But so, oh, look at the buns, that's grilled to perfection. Oh, I love a grilled hamburger bun. Okay, and then Shane is going to grill them up on the cast iron skillet, because it is too stinking hot to go outside and grill anything, although this will heat up the RV a little bit, but it's all right. We're gonna get through it because we're hungry and these are so good. Here we go. If any of y'all decide to make this recipe, drop us a comment, let me know if you like it, and if you did anything to it. If you zhuzhed it up or just put something different in there, let me know how you liked it. I'd really like to know.
It's really good. Yeah, it's super good, so give it a try.
So the avocados, of course I had someone, you know, I ordered the groceries online and had them deliver it. And I'm glad I ordered 2 avocados, because one of them was so hard, it wasn't even ripe yet. I couldn't even use it. So the other one was almost unusable too. I try to, whenever I buy avocados, I try to make sure they're not really hard. I don't want them mushy, but I want them just, you know, just soft enough so that way I know they're good to eat. So thank goodness I had them get 2. Otherwise we wouldn't have been able to do this tonight.
If you're going to do these, I would recommend going medium to medium low heat. Kind of go slow and low because it's chicken, and you don't want to kind of, you know, burn one side too much just to get it hot all the way through. So that's what I do. I go about medium to a little bit under medium heat, and probably about 4 or 5 minutes on each side.
Now this recipe is not one that I came up with on my own. It is one that I found online. I got it years ago, and we've been eating it for a really long time. So the original recipe calls for either putting jalapenos or poblano pepper in them, but I do not like hot, spicy food. Onions is about as spicy as I get. So, and Shane, I mean, Shane can go a little spicier than that, but Yeah, he likes Cajun spicy. And there's a few Cajun stuff that I'll eat, but so anyway, so I just omit that because I won't eat those, but obviously put them in there. See if you like them. If you like spicy stuff, go for it. Shane's checking the chicken just to see if the temperature's right. But we got a little thermometer to make sure. Chicken is supposed to be, I think, 165. So we got a little ways to go. But we always like to check it just to make sure.
We're doing chicken.
Chicken.
Checking the chicken.
Checking the chicken. Checking the chicken.
Checking the chicken.
That's hard to say.
Chicken.
Chicken.
I guess you want to check the chicken? Check the chicken.
Say hello, everybody. Oh, that looks so good. Yes. Can't wait to dig into that. And I'm going to eat some cauliflower potato chips with my chicken avocado burger. These are so good. They're such a fun texture. It's they're actually made from cauliflower and they're gluten-free, non-GMO. Really good. I'll take one out and show you what they look like. So they really do look like basically what's on the front of the bag, but they have a really cool texture to them. I love chips with texture like pork rinds, and these, oh, they're so good. And Shane even eats them too. I bought them for the first time, the last time we bought groceries, and I gave him one. He basically took the bag from me. So this time I had to buy 2 bags because, you know, you buy the bag and it's half full of air, so kind of get aggravated when you buy chips and most of it's just the air. There's my avocado burger, chicken avocado burger, and cauliflower potato chips.
Alright, thanks everybody for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Until next time, live in the sunshine.